The intermodal shift. Why shippers are turning to rail, truck partnerships. In today's freight market, success means mastering three things: efficiency, cost control, and sustainability. But with fuel prices fluctuating, driver shortages growing, and new environmental standards rolling out, the smartest shippers are rethinking how freight moves. And they're finding their answer in one word: intermodal. What is intermodal shipping? Intermodal combines rail and truck transport, using rail for the long-haul leg and trucks for the first and last mile. The freight stays in the same container or trailer the whole way, no reloading, no repacking, no wasted handling. It's the best of both worlds: trucking's door-to-door flexibility, rail's long-distance cost and fuel efficiency. Why the shift is accelerating? According to the Intermodal Association of North America, INA, volumes rose 4.6% in 2024, rebounding strongly post-pandemic. So what's fueling this momentum? 1. Trucking costs and capacity pressure. The ATA reports a shortage of 80,000 drivers, expected to rise in the next 5 years. Add unpredictable diesel prices and tighter insurance costs, and shippers are turning to rail to stabilize budgets and capacity. 2. Sustainability goals. Rail is 4 times more fuel efficient than trucks, moving 1 ton 470 miles on a single gallon of fuel. By shifting long-haul freight to trains, companies can reduce CO2 emissions by up to 75%. That's not just green, it's good business. 3. Network and infrastructure growth. Carriers like BNSF, CSX, and Union Pacific are investing billions in new intermodal terminals, especially around Dallas, Chicago, and Los Angeles. These hubs connect road and rail seamlessly, cutting dwell times and improving reliability. 4. Technology upgrades. Intermodal used to mean less visibility. Not anymore. With IoT sensors, real-time tracking, and AI route optimization, shippers now get the same transparency they expect from trucking across multiple modes. The benefits of rail-truck partnerships. Intermodal isn't just a cost-saving tactic, it's a strategic advantage. Cost efficiency. Rail saves up to 30% on long-haul routes over 700 miles. Stable capacity. Rail networks aren't as volatile as truckload spot markets, keeping freight moving even in peak seasons. Sustainability. Lower carbon output aligns with ESG goals and reporting requirements, improving both compliance and reputation. Network optimization. Intermodal lanes bypass congested highways, diversifying routing and reducing exposure to disruptions. Industry use cases. Retail and AMP, e-commerce, Walmart, Target, and other big-box retailers rely on intermodal to move imports from ports to inland DCs, saving costs while maintaining speed. Manufacturing. Automotive and electronics producers use intermodal for cross-border shipments, especially across U.S.-Mexico corridors. Consumer goods. CPG shippers count on intermodal for high-volume replenishment, steady, predictable, and scalable. Overcoming challenges. Of course, intermodal isn't perfect. Transit times can be slightly longer, containers and chassis can get tight, and terminals can see congestion. But with smart planning and partnerships, these hurdles are manageable. The key strategies? Focus on lanes 500-700 miles and up. Work with experienced 3PLs that manage drayage, rail, and visibility under one roof. Use TMS platforms with multimodal optimization and predictive analytics. Forecast demand early to secure seasonal capacity. The future, a collaborative supply chain. Intermodal isn't slowing down, it's scaling up. As governments invest in infrastructure and shippers invest in green logistics, rail-truck partnerships will become the backbone of sustainable freight. In a world where e-commerce keeps growing and carbon reduction targets keep tightening, intermodal offers the balance that modern supply chains demand: reliable, efficient, and resilient. Be Loaded takeaway. At Be Loaded, we know the power of intermodal partnerships firsthand. It's not just about saving money, it's about building smarter networks that move with the market. Rail provides reach. Trucking provides flexibility. Together, they provide resilience. The future of freight is multimodal, and it's already here. It's time to get on board. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on transportation topics. Anytime, any place. Be loaded.